quickly relax.
Okay, sir.
Ajay Kumar Videshia.
Yes, sir.
You belong to Kushinagar.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Kushinagar is famous for what?
Sir, Kushinagar is famous for the basically for the historical place because of the uh, because of the Mahaparinivan of the Gautam Buddha. Yes, sir.
He really nirvana there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So basically, at this place, there he got death. That place is named by Sput Mahaparinivan in Kushinagar.
And it is recently it is news.
Yes, sir. Recently it is new because of there is the development of international airport by the central government and the state governments. So this is the latest news about the Kushinagars, and also Kushinagar have a first university of the transgenders in all over India. First university of all over India for the transgender.
Transgenders.
Yes, sir.
The first university which is coming up there. Huh?
Yes, sir.
It has come up or it is coming up?
Sir, it is coming up.
It's coming up.
Yes, sir.
And so Ajay, I want to know more about your appears to be a very interesting personality. Tell me more about your family, about your father, your mother, your brother. How's the environment in the family? Who is the motivator in the family? What is your relationship with your father? What is your relationship with your mother? What's your relationship with your brother? And how do you all spend time together? Do you go for holidays together, or you spend time? I mean, whenever you are at home, what all do you do? Who is that one person in your family whom you are closest? And what kind of secrets do you share with him or her? And these are the things which I would like to know.
Yeah, sir. First of all, my father belongs to the agriculture fields, and my mother is a homemaker, and basically the relationship of my father and mother is also very good. But I am very close to my fathers because I spend the time with my fathers in agricultures and there's agricultures and that type of work that they do in the agriculture fields. But as per as the relations of my brothers, my elder brothers are also good, and with the small brothers is also good. My elder brothers is supporting me the financially to pursue the higher education, and as my younger brother is also doing in the BSc, he is very motivational toward their goals, and okay, sir.
How do you spend time together in the family?
Yeah, basically, sir, when we are gathered in the family, then we must talking about the some types of jokes regarding me, my brothers, and also my big brothers directed me toward toward my aims to how to tackle all these things, because I am at that time when I got first time to out from my homes, then my big brother is very supportive toward me, and when all the family members gather around, then we basically discuss about their futures.
Just future की बात करते हो, father के साथ how to deal करते हो?
No, sir. Basically, all the things I have talking to with my fathers.
What all that? What I want to know. Future की बात करते हो तो present में कब बात करो?
Yes, when I got opportunity with my fathers, then we absolutely talking about the how to tackle all this problem of the families, and basically in that time, in my whole time, I never go with my family at any tourist tourist hotspots, because we are the such type of family that always working toward the futures.
Do you help your father or your mother?
Yes, sir. I absolutely help my fathers and also my mothers because I have no sisters. When my mothers got any type of illness, then I have to work to cooking the foods and all the things of that my mothers do.
You
And
can do the cooking?
yes, sir.
What is the best dish you can cook?
This is basically I cook the rice and plums and also I cook the vegetables. That is the basically need that the everyone got it.
And how do you help your father?
Yeah, basically when my father goes to the field area to work at the cultivation of the fields, then I also support him and also work with them that I can do with them at some time.
You work with them in field.
Yes, sir.
What kind of a work do you do?
So basically, in the season of the Rabi and the season of the Kharif, if there is going to going to seal, going to harvest the fasal, harvest the crops, basically dropping the waters in the fields and spreading the pipes of the fields. That type of work I will help with my fathers.
So which is a crop which is now there in the field?
Yeah, basically, sir, in my farmer fields, I have my family is my father is growing the.
How many crop do you harvest in a year?
So basically, there are three crops: the rice and the paddies, and
Rice paddy same.
yes, and there are some types of vegetables, onions, and lady's finger, and some type of chilies.
Chili?
Chili, sir.
Chili.
Chili, sir.
Chili.
Yes, sir.
So that is between वो तो अभी किया होगा ना? What is Rabi or Kharif? Both you do only paddy.
Sir,
Rabi and Kharif, both the crop you do paddy only or some other thing also?
sir, basically in the Kharif season we farming of the paddy and Rabi in the Rabi seasons we grow the rice, sir.
Same. Kharif, paddy is same. Paddy is the when it is not processed. Rice it becomes after processing.
Yes, sir. So basically, sir, sorry for that, sir. I in the Rabi season we grow the wheat.
Wheat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is in between you do the vegetables.
Yes, sir.
What is that called? This fasal, one is Rabi, other is Kharif, and which is the third fish?
So basically, in the category of horticultures.
No, there's a particular name. Jais or something?
Sorry, sir. No, sir.
Ask your dad. Okay. Now, second thing is, now I can see your education. You have done high school, then you have done your diploma, and now you are pursuing BTech.
Yes, sir.
Huh? And diploma, you stayed outside?
No, sir. I do diploma from my house to near about 28 kilometers from my
So
house.
every day you were cycling or something?
No, sir. In basically first year I go with the go with the bus, and after that first year in second year or third years I take a room, and so that I continue.
Staying.
Yes, sir.
There was no hostel or something.
Sir, basically hostel, but the hostel is to allow for that who is belong to the more far away distance from the institutes.
So you were अपना खाना बनाते थे. You
Yes,
were
sir.
sharing room with someone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now BTech you are doing from where?
Yes, sir.
JR University.
Mahatma Jyotibai Phule Rohinton University, Bareilly, sir.
Very well. Now tell me all about school. I can see that you got in 10th only 70% marks.
Yes, sir.
But in diploma you got 77% marks.
Yes, sir.
That is first year. No, 12th I think you got
Yes, sir.
77% marks.
Yes, sir.
And diploma you got 71.
Yes, sir.
Again it got reduced.
Yeah.
And second year you got 79%.
Yeah, basic, sir, overall BTech is 79%.
बीटेक में तो सेकंड ईयर में तुम्हें एडमिशन लिया
Yes,
होगा
sir.
ना?
Yes, sir.
तो अभी तो एक ही साल हुआ होगा कि दो?
No, sir, I have completed.
You have completed BTech.
Yes, sir, and in 2020
Which branch?
with Brandam Mechanical branch, sir.
Mechanical. Okay. So tell me about your education and during this period, any that how did you plan your studies? Who were the say teachers who impressed you? How many friends you made? And since yours is a very struggleful that you had to stay and take room outside, and that MGR University, you must have stayed in hostel that time.
Yes, sir.
So in hostel, how was the hostel life? And there 79% you got BTech.
Yes, sir.
It's a very good marks and mechanical. And what was your project? And things like this.
Yeah, sir.
And tell me also about your friends and teachers.
Yes, sir. Sir, I completed my high school in 2011 sir, with the percentage of 17 sir, and after that we completed our intermediate in 2013 with the percentage of 77.89%, and after that we continue to our
No,
education.
how did you improve your percentage? That's what I'm saying. How did you plan your studies?
Sir, basically my percentage is reduced in the diplomas because at that time, sir, I was up down from my homes in first years. Then I realized that if I work hard in that place means if I work hard do not spend time with coming and from the home to college, so I reform it by the working hard.
So that is how you improved and same thing from you learned a lesson in diploma and that same thing you followed in
BTech, sir. Yes, sir.
and that's how you.
I improve my marks.
What about your teachers?
So basically, I love my teachers of the thermodynamic subjects. That is Professor Vishal Saxena, because he is a very practical man. Whenever he teaches us he teaches the students. He after the taking class he give the assignments and in every week he do the practicals. So basically he so that I got interested in the thermodynamic subject in my BTECs.
What is entropy?
Sir, entropy, sir.
Since you are a thermodynamics,
Yes,
you are
sir.
asking.
Sir, entropy, sir, with respect to the time change of heat is the called entropy. Entropy is neither created nor destroyed. But
Entropy or energy?
sir, basically, sir, energy is also.
What is the first law of thermodynamics?
First law of thermodynamics is the heat can be converted into the works, but there is some kind of energy loss. So there is no.
भाई साहब ये 79% तो भी बेकार है तुम्हें फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स नहीं पता है
conservation of energy, heat and works are also be
what you are talking is the second law of thermodynamics and heat is not an energy.
Yes, sir. Heat is a low grade energy and work is the high grade energy, sir.
Energy can neither be created nor destroyed.
Yes, sir. Conservation of energy,
And
yes, sir.
this enthalpy which you are talking about heat is enthalpy. Sorry, तुमको thermodynamics ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. Interest तुम show कर रहे हो.
Sir, no, sir. I got some nervous. Yes, sir.
Don't get nervous. मैं तो पहले बोला. Be relaxed and just say the right thing. What was your project in BTech?
Sir, basically my project is the exergic analysis of the thermal power plant, sir.
Thermal power plant. Okay. And teacher you mentioned you liked every teacher, but thermodynamics teacher you liked because he
do the practically works and very good to
And
the.
what about your friends?
So basically, I have many friends, but I have near about 3 to 5 close friends. Yeah.
Okay. Tell me more about them.
So basically, one of my friend is doing job in the DRDO, and one of my friend is preparation for the competition exams, and one of my friend is also preparing. Right now, he is the loco pilot in the railway examination.
Tell me, you have done a BTech.
Yes, sir.
Then why do you want to join army? Why can't you be in like your friend, why did you try for DRTO or some outside job or something?
So basically, when I living in the hostel, that day one of my hostel mates, he is very inspiration about the Indian Armed Forces. Then I also got interested in that works, and when I got the opportunity to fill the form of Indian Navy, and I all the information getting from the website that there is a engineering sections for the mechanical engineers. So basically, I love the branch engineering sections, and I like the adventures because in Indian Navy there is a very chance of adventuring doing works.
What kind of adventure you are looking forward in Navy?
So basically, Indian Navy is the Indian Navy work on the coastal areas and also work on the security of the maritimes and also dealing with the from one country to other foreigner countries. So there is a lot of adventure works and also challenges here. So that's I interested toward the Indian Navy, sir.
Actually, let me just give you anyway that I'll talk later. Then something you have mentioned about your friends. Do you have friends other than your college friends or something? Do you have at home also some friends?
Yes, sir.
And some long-lasting friend from childhood, they are friends and some such thing.
Yes, sir. I have many friends since my childhood, and also they are pursuing their higher educations. And one of my friends is.
How do you remain attached?
Sir, basically the social media, sir.
Social media.
Yes.
There any, and how often do you meet?
So basically in the season of the festivals, when I got opportunity, then I meet him.
So how say now there's a festival.
Yes, sir.
How do you plan to spend? Say if you have to. Are you making any plans with your friends to spend the holidays together? And if so, what kind of work planning are you doing?
Basically, sir, I communicate with them when they are coming at their home place. Then also I saw my schedules that I am here, I am there. Then I communicate with them and I call my specific place that we are known.
But what will you do? Say next Dussehra, let's talk of Dussehra. Dussehra is coming now.
So basically, we are buying some foods and talking about the what is going on.
With friends.
Yeah.
I'm talking about friends. How will you spend?
Yes, sir. So basically, we are having some time of fun activity and talking with their careers and what types of they do works, and also there's a memory that we have passed in our childhoods. Yes, sir.
In college, hostel, and all those things, did you pick up habits of smoking, drinking, or any such thing?
No, sir. I did
You
not.
didn't.
No, sir.
But then there must have been some force on you to.
Yes, sir. Some kind of friends that when the birthday party is celebrating, then
Then
that.
you
No,
refrain.
sir.
How did you refrain? How did you make yourself strong not to say no to them?
So basically, I go with them, but when go with them and spend time with them. But when the matters of doing some type of drinks, then I smoothly say that I am not interested in such kind of.
Just flatly tell them that you are not interested.
No, sir. I just not say frankly, but I say in a very smoothly way that I cannot do it.
Okay, right. I can see that you are playing cricket and athletics.
Yes, sir.
Can you cricket? You participated in school.
Yes, sir.
So you were a batsman or a bowler?
Bowler, sir. I pursue bowlers.
Bowler of what?
Fast bowler, sir.
Fast bowler. So how do you do the in swing or out swing? The difference between the two?
So basically, in swing is the off spin bowlers do with their.
Spin bowlers.
Yes, sir.
Swing bowling. Off. No, off spin. No, I'm saying in swing and out swing.
Basically, sir, in swing is the from the off side to the stem to the leg sides, and if you are talking about the out swing,
Or going into
stem side from the off side to stem side,
But
and
then how do you do it? Because you are a fast bowler, you must be swinging the ball.
sir, basically in first bowling I do not see swinging.
No, you say that you are a fast bowler.
Yes, sir.
So, but स्विंग तो फास्ट बॉलर का वेपन है यार, कैसे वो स्विंग नहीं करेगा? कपिल देव वाज आउट स्विंगर और इन स्विंगर? कपिल देव चलो भूल गए हो गया, अभी तो तुम्हारा बुमराह है। बुमराह क्या कौन सी बॉल करता है?
Sir, Bumrah is basically medium fast bowler, sir.
मीडियम फास्ट बॉलर।
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
And he do some type of swimmings with balls. And
swimming.
yes, sir.
So how does he swing the ball?
So basically, I think they are doing with the middle fingers and to throw the balls.
Like this.
Yes, sir.
So you do. So how do you prepare for cricket?
So
Because if you are a fast bowler, you should be physically very very fit.
yes, sir. So I do the running in the morning times, and I also got some
I
push-ups.
think you have written there also that running is your passion.
Yes,
है
sir.
ना? So in running, do you which muscle do you prepare? Hand muscles, do they have any role in running?
So no, sir. Basically, the in doing in running, so basically the legs thigh muscles are more involvement in the runnings.
Okay. And you also say that you participate in 100 meter sprint.
Yes, sir. In my diploma college, yes, sir.
From a college, and you got the then for 100 meter, how do you prepare?
Sir, I basically I do running with since last 5 years. Then I participate in the 100 meters, but I did not get any awards. Yes, sir.
Okay. And you were part of scouting also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्या गाना होता है स्काउट का? कोई गाना भी तो है ना कोई?
Yes, sir. Since I did scouting in class 6 to class 8.
You have forgotten.
Yes, sir, I forgot it.
And Indian Navy you have already mentioned. Now, do you read newspaper or do you watch news or Twitter handle or some such thing?
Yes, sir.
How do you keep abreast to the latest in the knowledge?
Basically, sir, I log in the Twitter since 2016, but after that, sir, 1 year I post down at that, and now in present time I am gathering information of the all the current affairs from the YouTubes. Yes, sir.
YouTube.
Yes, sir.
But YouTube, is it all current or for current, say day-to-day news?
Yes, sir.
How do you get day-to-day news?
So basically, I saw the articles that.
That means some magazines you read?
Yes, sir.
Which magazine?
So basically, the Guardians also I have read sometimes, and also whenever I also read the Diplomats.
Diplomat you read?
Yes, sir.
Diplomat, do you read on net?
Yes, sir. Nets.
Net. What is the latest on Diplomat you read?
So basically, today latest news is the MSME ministers and Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurated the Jojila tunnels by the remote.
Today?
Sir, just previous day, sir.
Yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Or maybe a day before?
Sir, I read yesterday about this.
Achha. So, Jojila Tunnel. What do you know about Jojila Tunnel?
Sir, Jojila tunnel is basically connecting to the Kashmir to the connect to the Kashmir to the Leh, because at that area mountaineer area. So and in the cold season there is a totally stop of the vehicles going from the one side to another sides. So Jojila tunnel is basically
If you have read the news, how much time will it take this tunnel to complete?
Sir, I do not read.
Do not recall. Okay, no issue. And another thing, in that news, there was some other thing also. Another tunnel was being spoken of. What was that? Which is that tunnel which is being?
Yes, sir. I read about this Atal tunnels by the.
Atal tunnel.
Yes, sir.
Where is that?
Sir, basically, sir, it is the Jammu area, sir.
Jammu area.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And any other news which you?
Yes, sir. Today I have also read the flood situation in the Karnataka and Maharashtra and the NDRF works, that is.
Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
Karnataka or Telangana?
Telangana, sir. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh area, sir.
That area and Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Why it is happening? Is mechanical engineering subject to it? Why is it happening?
Sir.
Climate change सुना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll give you a situation.
Okay, sir.
This is that you join, say, going to join the new job, and this is the job of a site engineer of a mechanical plant which is coming up, and plant is power plant.
Okay, sir.
How will you prepare to go there? When you go there, what all? I mean, say, tell me some 3-4 crunch issues planning that if I have to go for this job, these are the things I will keep it in mind.
So basically, I gather information about the power plants and where the suitable area that I have goings, and collect the data about all the power plants accessories, and getting the information from the power plants head managers, then what types of problem is there.
Actually, senior, he will लगाओ झाड़ तो चुप हो जाओ. तू मेरा सुपरवाइजर बन के आ रहा है, तू सीखने आ रहा है काम. So, say to improve your job, say when you go to your manager, sir, I'll do this, then he'll be very happy. So, what are the questions you have, that what will be your nature of job and all those things? Okay, that's it. Now I have finished. Any questions from your side?
Sir, I have only one question, sir. How to tackle this type of nervousness when I go?
I can see that. I'll tell you. Okay. Ajay Madheshia. Firstly, I'll start from the beginning. The first and foremost thing is, whenever you go for any kind of interview, you have to become cool and relax. You will perform better, always. But how do you do that? Before entering drink some water. Not that 2-3 glass पी लिया तो 40 मिनट के बाद, because interview will last about 30 to 40 minutes. You will start feeling uncomfortable because you will feel like going to washroom or something. Don't do that. Little bit of water, because it will cool your nerves. Number one. So second thing is, go with a certain confidence. I've seen your fingers were moving and all those things. You were sitting like this. No. And these are the signs of, that's why I said that cool, relax. So it is better to relax totally and fully. Second thing, have confidence कि भाई जो मैं जानता हूँ उतना मैं जानता हूँ, और जो मैं जानता हूँ मैं अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ, जो मैं नहीं जानता हूँ कोई बात नहीं. Ajay, it is like this. Life में you are young. What's your age?
Sir, right now, sir, 23 years.
23. 23 is, 23 years is no age. It's a very young age. You are not expected to know everything. And in life, always remember, when you went to school, you did not know anything. They taught you 1, 2, 3, 4 count. Alphabet, you learned Hindi, English or something. Then you went to school, you started learning algebra. You did not know a plus b whole square, you did not know, but then you knew. You started solving simultaneously, you learnt it. So there are certain qualities which are trainable, and there are certain qualities which are inherent. So inherent quality you can not change, but trainable qualities can be improved. So therefore, what you keep learning, I learn this much. So you have to be very clear in your mind. There are certain things which are basic intelligence is something which is inherent. You can, knowledge base can improve, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Say, let me put it this way. कंप्यूटर के कुछ होते हैं पैरामीटर्स होते हैं फिक्स होते हैं कि इसकी प्रोसेसिंग कैपेसिटी ये है, इसकी हार्ड डिस्क की कैपेसिटी इतनी है, और उस हार्ड डिस्क में डाल क्या रहा है वो तुम्हारे ऊपर है. सो दैट हार्ड डिस्क की ट्रेनेबिलिटी तुम्हारे हाथ में, कंप्यूटर की कैपेबिलिटी लिमिटेड है. तो जो तुम्हारी कैपेबिलिटी वो तुम्हारी है, वो नहीं. दैट कैन, द नॉलेज बेस एंड डेटा बेस कैन इम्प्रूव. सो देयरफॉर, एंड मोर यू आर नॉलेजेबल, more confidence you will gather. So that is simple. So don't get nervous when you are going. After all, if you are dealing with me, I am also a human being only. I am not a. Then secondly, you must always go for any interview. It is because that you have been called for the interview. That means the person who has called you, he is interested to check whether you fit into his scheme of things or not. He is not there to reject you. He is there to select you. Do you understand the difference
Yes, sir.
between the two?
Yes, sir.
He is not, तुम ऐसे घुसे, मैं ये नहीं सोच रहा हूँ कि इसको कैसे साले को भगाऊं मैं. ये तो नहीं मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
नहीं, sir.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि तुम्हें क्या क्या चीजें हैं मैं देख लूँ कि जिससे कि तुम मेरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में फिट हो रहे हो कि नहीं हो रहे हो. So that should give you a lot of confidence कि हाँ भाई मैं सिलेक्शन के लिए जा रहा हूँ, मैं रिजेक्शन के लिए नहीं जा रहा हूँ. So it will help you to make up your mind much better. So basic qualities remain. You have a very, you should be proud of many of your achievement. You are from a small village where your mother's education is fine. She could not, even in your primary schools, she could not help with your education. It's only the moral support she could give. Your father is busy in earning livelihood and you are three of you at home. So therefore, he also did not have time. So you have grown up, एक दूसरे का कंधा पकड़ के तुम चले हो.
Yes, sir.
So it's a great achievement in life. It's not a small thing. There are a lot of people who are born with a silver spoon. You are not born with a silver spoon. You have worked. So you should be very proud of this thing. And that will give you confidence. You see, after all, when you were in 10th, you got 70% marks. 12th, you got 77% marks. How you got it? Because diploma, you got a 77% marks.
Sir, sir.
No, 12th you got 7. Because you are thinking, अच्छा ये मेरे weak area, मैं इसको improve कर सकता हूँ. And except your friends, your teachers, there was no one. And that's why I was very pointedly asking questions about teachers, your friends. You should be very, you reflect that who are the people who, there are a lot of things you learn by observation, a lot of things you learn by talking to people. You are a lot of things when you are in doubt, you go to someone. Like you are asking me that how will I improve my nervousness. So you go, you learn. So therefore learning is from 3 angles. So teachers say तुम जाते हो सर मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा, बताइए, उसने तुमको बताया. तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स ने कहा अरे हम लोग ऐसे मिलके ये कर लेंगे, वो कर लेंगे. That plan. Many a time, again I will tell you a very interesting thing. Many a time what you discuss may be absolutely absurd, but it may stimulate your mind to tell you something. I'll give you an analogy. When in school you must have read that atom का किसने concept दिया? डाल्टन ने दिया था.
Yes, sir.
उसका रदरफोर्ड ने दिया.
Yes, sir.
But both have been rejected. आज की तारीख में एटम उसने बोला not divisible है. रदरफोर्ड ने बोला कि उसके चारों तरफ ये घूमता है और सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स है तो उसके अंदर गिर जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
समरफील्ड आया, उसने बोला नहीं, वो जब तक मार्क्स प्लैंक ने आके ये नहीं बताया कि भैया ये तो फिक्स्ड है, अगर ऑर्बिट चेंज होना है तो इसकी एनर्जी इतनी निकलनी है, देनी पड़ेगी.
Yes, sir.
Then only so that is how that evolves. So therefore whenever you are discussing, it is not that immediate solution. And जहाँ ऐसे spoon fed solution आते हैं वो सारे बकवास होते हैं. Template solutions never work. I would like to tell you, template solutions means कि यार तुम ऐसा करो कि दौड़ने में तुम हाथ को ऐसे करने लगो. अगर तुम्हें नहीं मालूम है हाथ को तुम्हें चलाने से तुम रनिंग अच्छी कर सकते हो, और उसने बताया तुम करने लगे, तुम्हारा दिल ही नहीं होगा इसको करने में, unless you are convinced, and you will get convinced only by doing it, then you will get a idea. That's another thing. So you should be very proud of your achievement, but there are certain areas which are weak areas which need to improve. The first area which need to improve is your communication skill. After all, you are a graduate. You are a graduate, engineering graduate, and that too almost 80%. That means you are honors. You must have got an honors.
Yes, yes, sir.
Honors in engineering is not an easy thing. Honors in it is something like in IIT, this is 8-pointer.
Yes, sir.
You are 8-pointer. So it is not a small thing. Second thing is that communication skill you need to improve. Another area where you need to work is your appearance. तुम आए हो इंटरव्यू के लिए, तुम शेव तो करके तो आए नहीं आज, क्यों नहीं करके आए फिर? You should have shaved. Because these are the things which give impression to someone sitting here. यार ये लड़का casual है. You should not be casual. Even if you are keeping beard, it should be properly trimmed. It just cannot happen that ऐसे में उठा, वो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज वाला भाई साहब काम नहीं है कि सुबह उठ के चल दिए क्लास में, दाढ़ी बनी है कि नहीं बनी, चप्पल पहने हुए चले गए, शर्ट बाहर है कि अंदर है. Dress good. That is the way it should be. You want to wear a tie, but wear properly. If you don't want to wear a tie, it's all right. There's nothing very big about it that you should wear a tie. But belt should be proper, shoes should be proper. Those dress should be, shirt should be pressed, trousers should be pressed, and those are the kind of things. Knowledge, major area. तुम्हारा knowledge base ठीक है बच्चे. अगर तुमको एंट्रोपी और एंथैल्पी में फर्क नहीं मालूम.
Sir, I know about very well, sir.
So,
But
the only thing is, you have to hear the question full, reflect for 10 seconds and then reply. If you just reply just like that, then गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. Entropy बड़े, if I were in your place and BTech के बाद मैं तो DQ/T.
yes,
Simple. Then I would have asked you a second question, that physical concept. Then you would have said that work and heat, those are the kind of things you could have given the example of belt on a flywheel.
yes, sir.
You know, that second law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics is conservation of energy.
Yes, sir.
So those are the kind of things, very slowly अगर तुम बोलोगे, so learn to be slow in your talking. Now, as far as your cricket and athletics, better be sure. Hand have very strong, and especially if you are a 100-meter sprinter, you got to have very strong, because that is how you get the motion, locomotion.
Yes, sir.
Rhythm तो यहाँ से आती है ना, ताकत यहाँ से आती है. So that's why I asked which are the exercise you are doing. So unless your hamstring is strong, your stride नहीं बढ़ेगी, अच्छी नहीं होगी. Hamstring समझते हो ना, नीचे वाली, पैर के नीचे वाली जो
Yes, sir.
मसल होती है, लेग में, थाई मसल में पीछे वाली होती
Yes,
है.
sir, yes,
जब तक वो स्ट्रांग नहीं होगी तब तक तुम्हारी स्ट्राइड नहीं बढ़ेगी, और जब तक स्पेशली स्प्रिंटर एंड स्विंग एंड सीम का डिफरेंस है. सीम जो होती है, जो थ्रेड उस पर होता है, उससे टर्न होती है बॉल, सीम से हवा में टर्न होती है. एंड हवा में टर्न होती है, तुम कैसे पकड़ते हो, कैसे छोड़ते हो, रिलीज ऐसे होगी या ऐसे होगी. हाँ,
Yes, sir.
and Bumrah's short ball is a very very interesting ball है.
Yes, sir.
So you must know about those things. ठीक है. Kushinagar you knew quite well. That's quite alright. Scouting. You can't say that 5-6. मैंने स्काउटिंग की है करीब 50 साल हो गए. I finished 10th in 68. 68 means 50-52 साल पहले तो 10th मैंने किया है. And you're right. 8 तक ही तो था मैं. So that means 2 साल और पहले कर लो. 66. तो 54 years back. आज ही मुझे याद है. स्काउट अपनी शान में और अपनी मान में,
Yes, sir.
अपने बड़ों के नाम को. There's a song scouting का. So those are the kind of things you can't. The good interview is one where you answer few things but you answer them correctly. Bad interview is that you answer too many things, but peripherally. थोड़ी थोड़ी बात करो. Current topics you got to be very sure. Current topic you are not up to the mark. That's another area which. And when is your interview?
Sir, 27th October.
Have time. 10 दिन है. 10 दिन is a long time. So you better be prepared on all these things.
Okay,
And
sir.
these things will help you to prepare better. Now, any questions based on this, based on our interaction, feel free. I mean, I can assure you that you have a potential, but you got to work. And one thing, in front of mirror, you must stand and speak. TV news, it's okay. दूरदर्शन न्यूज़ देखा करो, because अभी क्या दूरदर्शन में क्या होगा जिसके लिए तुम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, you will get lot of information. बाकियों में तो एजेंडा ड्रिवन, वो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत में कौन साला इंटरेस्टेड हो, मेरा तो बिल्कुल इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होगा. सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की बात करेगा, कोई कुछ करेगा. You should know about Armenia, Azerbaijan, you must know about Indo-China, Indo-Pakistan, Bangladesh economy and all those things. So those are the kind of economic issues, some political issues. Political issues नहीं, कांग्रेस वर्सेस बीजेपी की नहीं है. Political issues में कौन से states हैं, क्या है, constitutional issues क्या हैं. Because as an officer of Indian Army, you will be apolitical. And it is better to be apolitical in आज के ज़माने में. But constitutional issues, economic issues, international issues, ये सब तुमको पता होना चाहिए. थोड़ा. And जो जानते हो, it is better to speak many a times, I don't know sir. But then what you know, मतलब वो इस तरह से बोलो कि उसको लगे कि भैया ये मुझे पढ़ाने आया है, ठीक है ना. एंड ये जो तुम्हारी स्ट्रेंथ है वीकनेस हो जाएगी अगर तुम इनके बारे में नहीं जानते. अपना सब्जेक्ट में जरूर, क्योंकि लकी कहीं गलती से तुम you are unlucky today that you got stuck with someone who is an MTech in mechanical engineering. I am an MTech in mechanical engineering and I have taught for 5 years heat transfer of all subjects. Heat transfer and thermodynamics and fluid mechanics I have taught. So I know, and there are, my books are there on energy. So you are stuck. So that's why don't feel disheartened like this.
Yes.
Not every interviewing officer would be as much knowledgeable about mechanical engineering. But you may be just unlucky that you get stuck with someone who knows this subject. So don't worry about that. But at the same time, whatever little you know, the second thing is, you are going for army interview. Army interview, firstly, you घाट घाट का पानी पी के तुम जा रहे हो, तो तुम why should you should be very clear why you want to join army, है ना? And mechanical engineering plays a very important role in army. There is no doubt in my mind that mechanical engineering is a very important branch as far as engineering is concerned, Corps of Engineers or
Yes, sir.
EME is concerned. These are the two areas where you will be going. But be sure of why you want to join army. Second thing is that more important is how do you leverage technology. And you said Indian Navy, you want to join Indian Navy. Your answer was not very convincing that why you know very little about. Indian Navy does not, they stay in coastal area, but they don't work in coastal area. They are there for maritime domain. You use the word maritime domain, but actually जो maritime domain है, initial होता है marine police, then है coast guard, then 25 nautical mile के आगे जो है that is Indian Navy. So you should be, then if I had, since I realized I didn't want to, and time is होता, otherwise I would ask you some maritime questions. So you should be prepared for maritime. What is India's maritime domain? Where, say, Babur, Mandab to Malacca Strait, in China, Indo-China face-off is Indian Navy. Because if you are interested in Indian Navy, you should know that. And in Navy, it is called engineering only. They are not called mechanical engineering because electrical are called L and mechanical are engineers. That is what it is. I would have asked you some questions about engineering, but I realized that तुम्हें थोड़ा उसके बारे में थोड़ा जान लो. It is better to know those things. है 10 दिन is a good time. And should there be any problem, you request them, you can contact me. I can conduct one more interview for you.
Okay, sir.
But then you have a potential.
Yeah,
Work
okay,
very
sir.
hard.
I will come, sir, again and for better permit.
Better prepare. एक वो है ना, निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करो. Once you have made up your mind, साला छोड़ेगा नहीं. That should be attitude.
Sir,
Positive
one
attitude.
question, sir. Sir, you have joined army after the MTech in mechanical engineering?
मैं फौज का प्रोडक्ट हूँ. मैं तो 10वां पास फौज में गया था. It is, they made me do BTech, they made me do MTech, they made me do MPhil, they made me do MBA. सब कुछ उन्होंने कराया है. They sent me for abroad studies and all those things. So, फौज देती है मौका बहुत सारे. I'm one of those lucky ones. Not everyone is all that lucky, but then I was lucky that I got all that chance to do it, and I was selected. I mean, there was a competitive exam. You go through that. First, you get selected for BTech, and you do BTech. Every engineer officer has to do. That's mandatory. So once I had passed, I also got honors or something, and then later there was a competitive exam to go for MTech. I was selected for that MTech. IIT Madras, I did MTech, and I did in combustion and propulsion. That was my subject. And then Army only later found me suitable to do management, so I went from management to Osmania University. Then they found me suitable to go for MPhil in strategic studies. Then I did it with Madras University. So that is how the growth I made. They found me suitable to go for international studies, so I went to Thor Nelson Institute in Italy. And before that I was in Shanghai for that training. So these are the things which Ford gives you a lot of opportunity. Ford gives you a lot of opportunity to do things, provided you work hard and you keep, negativity दिमाग में कोई मत लाना. The first selection का process का ये है. Is there a way to do things? There will be difficult situations. How can you overcome them? Because लाइफ में ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. तुमने जैसे किया है कि भाई अपने फादर 15,000 की इनकम में 3 बच्चों को पढ़ाना इज नॉट अ ब्लडी जोक. अगर तुम बोलो तुम्हारे तीनों की फीस मिला करके जिन स्कूलों में तुम पढ़े होगे उनकी फीस ही करीब, और तुम कमरा लेके रह रहे हो, ये करके तुम्हारे बच्चों की पढ़ाई का करीब से 4 से 5 हज़ार रुपये तो इनकम हो गए, वो खर्चे हो गए होगा. कैसे खाना खाओगे कैसे, तो ये इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रगलफुल लाइफ. इट इज नॉट अ इजी लाइफ. सो दिस शुड बी योर स्ट्रेंथ. बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ शुड बी योर फैमिली, शुड बी योर बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ, एंड योर ओन इंटरनल स्ट्रेंथ दैट यू वर्क हार्ड, यू केप्ट वर्किंग हार्ड. सो अभी लाइफ में तुम्हें मैनेजमेंट में एक चीज पढ़ाई गई होगी, सॉर्ट एनालिसिस.
यस सर.
हैं, सॉर्ट करते रहो. मेरी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, मेरी वीकनेसेस क्या है, वीकनेसेस को कम करो, स्ट्रेंथ को एक्सेंचुएट करो, अपॉर्चुनिटीज ढूंढो, थ्रेट को मिनिमाइज करो. दैट इज हाउ यू विल बी एबल टू डू. एन इंजीनियर, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर इज द बेस्ट थिंग. इट्स अ लॉजिकल थिंकिंग. Best logical thinking in life comes only to a mechanical engineer, because that is how the design is done.
Yes sir.
Keep asking this question, so what, so what, so what. This is the question. अच्छा मेरे को, मैं रास्ते में आ गया हूँ तो इसको so what, so what क्या मुझे पहुँचना तो अवध हॉस्पिटल है. अच्छा ये तो यहाँ पे तो लाइट होगी, लाइट को मैं कैसे क्रॉस करूँ. जैसे मैं वेट करता हूँ, जैसे दाहिने जाना है बाएं जाना है तो मैं इस पर अपना गूगल मैप लगा लेता हूँ. That is how you keep doing. Keep finding the solution. Don't get stuck. वो एक तो रोने को बैठ जाओ कि मेरे तो चोट लग गई, मैं मर गया, मैं उठ गया. रोते रहो फिर. रोने वाले के लिए किसी के पास टाइम नहीं, वो आ गया, अगला निकल जाएगा. ओके, गॉड ब्लेस, टेक केयर.
थैंक यू सर.
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास में सबसे पहले पहुंचे.